Hey everyone, I'm Maria Tornatore, Accessory Product Planner for Yamaha Boats and WaveRunners. Today we're going to take a look at our GP and VX stern storage bag. Featuring a quick and easy installation, this stern storage bag comes with 2 side rod holders as well as 40 liters of storage capacity, making this perfect for a day of fishing fun. In addition, you don't have to lose any water sports capabilities as you still have access to your WaveRunners tow point. If you really want to pump up the fun, this accessory seamlessly integrates with our VX cooler, sold separately, allowing for you to bring your favorite cold beverages with you wherever you go. This accessory makes it possible for you to do even more on your WaveRunner. The options are endless with this new VX GP stern storage bag. Retailing for $249.99, the storage bag was designed with fun in mind and allows you to do more on your Yamaha WaveRunner. Visit your local dealer and pick up your VX GP stern storage bag today. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check out the rest of our 2020 Genuine Yamaha accessory videos.